Hi, I'm Megha Bhatia, founder of Book Your Ghar, and today I'll be talking about the latest launch by Shobha. Shobha has finally launched the last tower in Shobha Central project, and trust me, this has the best view of Blue Waters. One bedroom price is starting at 1.7 million AED, and they're also having two bedroom options in this project. At the same time, the payment plan that Shobha is offering in this project is 60/40. Let's talk about the location. It's bang on Sheikh Zayed Road. Sheikh Zayed Road is the backbone of Dubai, and you get the best views of blue water from these units. Not just this, when we talk about capital appreciation, you can easily get a capital appreciation of 9 to 10% yearly in a location like this. And when we talk about rentals, फॉर ऑल माई इंडियन इन्वेस्टर्स, अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कि आपका एक ऐसी इन्वेस्टमेंट हो जिससे आपको 30 से 40 लाख रुपीस ईयरली रेंटल रिटर्न्स आए, as an advisor, this is the best project for you. Now, a lot of my Indian investors message me and tell me, Megha, the price is 1.7 million, which is around 4.4, 4.6 crores. It's huge. But you don't have to make the whole payment together. This project comes with a payment plan. The handover is in 2029. And for all my Indian investors, let me explain you the payment plan in detail. Okay, so I'm going to show you my screen now. So to all my Indian investors, जब भी हमें sales offer आते हैं शोभा की साइड से, we only get it in dirhams. To make it easy for you, I've converted the numbers into INR for each one of you. So let's get started. Initially, you make a 20% down payment. That's the booking amount, which will come out to be somewhere around 78 lakh rupees. आप down payment देते हो, and then आपको हर साल 10% payment देनी है सिर्फ. Then आपको अगर हम 10% को INR में कन्वर्ट करें, हर साल अराउंड 40 to 42 लाख रुपीस आपको देने. अभी 2025 चल रहा है, 2026 में आपने 40 लाख रुपीस दिए, देन 2027, 2028, 2029, एंड 2029 में प्रोजेक्ट का हैंड ओवर है. देन यू मेक द रिमेनिंग 40% पेमेंट. इट्स अ 60/40 पेमेंट प्लान. दिस इज अ प्रोडक्ट which will give you huge capital appreciation. आसानी से 40 to 50% कैपिटल एप्रिसिएशन, बिकॉज इस लोकेशन में इतने फ्री होल्ड ऑप्शंस हैं ही नहीं. एंड व्हेन यू गो एंड सी दिस लोकेशन, इट्स द परफेक्ट लोकेशन. आई फील शोभा ने इतनी स्ट्रैटेजिकली लोकेशन डिसाइड करी है. इट विल टिक ऑल योर बॉक्सेस. वी हैव अ टॉप नॉच डेवलपर हियर, दैट्स शोभा, known for its quality. The payment plan is 60/40, which is very investor friendly. The location is prime because Dubai हमेशा मूव कर सकता है दुबई साउथ की तरफ, राइट? देयर इज नो एंड. बट द वाटर कोस्ट लाइन ऑफ दुबई विल ऑलवेज बी लिमिटेड, एंड वेयर देयर इज स्कैरसिटी द प्राइजेस विल ऑलवेज गो अप. या सो मैंने बहुत तारीफ कर लिया शोभा की, बिकॉज आई फील दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज रियली प्रॉमिसिंग. Also, check out the floor plan here. They have a spacious layout. The configuration of one bedroom is around 600 square feet. You get a huge living area at the same time, spacious bedroom, and this is Shobha Central. I can keep on going about the amenities that are there in the building, but I want to keep this video short and crisp for all the investors from across the globe. If Dubai has been on your mind, then go for this option. Contact us on the number mentioned below to schedule a Zoom meeting, and we'll be happy to assist you. Signing off, Megha Bhatia from Book Your Ghar. Namaste.